Okay, so when you come out and do a thermography inspection, how typically does that go? What does it look like? What are you doing? What are you checking? Like, what is the process?
Sure. So we'll be working in a team of two to check all of the electrical assets in the building. So everything from switchgear, main disconnects, all the panels in the building, and that way we'll be able to do a visual inspection as well as the fancy thermal imaging inspection, and then get a written report that you're then able to share with your electrical contractor, with your insurance company, or whoever else wants to take a look at that.
Okay, so why do we need an expert for this? Like, I know there's a huge range of equipment and cameras, but you don't want anybody just poking into these cabinets, right?
Yes, so cameras come at all price points, and the cheapest thing to buy is the camera. The training, the expertise, the knowledge to know what you're looking at is the expensive part. So that's where you can benefit from using an experienced professional versus trying to do it yourself.
So that's why we're going with two guys, right? An imager, an electrical technician, and electrician. And then, because these panels that we're opening up with are live, they're hot, there's still voltage here. And depending on that facility, that's, 400 volts, 480, it's any kind of voltage that exists in their facility to monitor and check, right?
Yes. So we're looking for, all of the, melted jacketing, all of the, terminals that aren't fully inserted, all of the small, like, nitpicky stuff that we don't want to skim over either. Okay. So it's a great opportunity while all the covers are off to do a full visual inspection in addition to that infrared inspection.
Okay. So who's really this service best suited for?
I would say any facility that has critical infrastructure, right? We don't want to lose production. We can't afford to lose production. Age isn't always a factor.
Sure.
Older buildings, mismatched wirings, all kinds of modifications as the business grows and changes, especially changes as far as like what the building was originally designed for. A lot of times the electricians and the planners don't always catch everything during those remodels. Mm-hmm. And the thermal camera definitely helps point that out very, very quickly.